Some installs take hours, some feel heavy, some only give you one look. This isn't that. This is our TruPart, our signature unit that works like a sew-in, flexes like a wig, and blends like it grew out of your scalp. We're doing a quick braid down just to take the combs off of the TruPart, and we're going to sew it around the perimeter. It's that easy, a 10-minute sew-in waiting. So as you can see, the beautiful texture. We're going to simply take these clips off and sew it around the perimeter of her braids. And there you will have a 10-minute sew-in. That's the versatility of a TruPart. The TruPart was designed with scalp care in mind, so it has a breathable base. And now let's get into this gorgeous texture. This is the Sasha Curl texture, a beautiful, juicy, deep, curly texture that is so easily defined with our True and Pure Texture defining brush. And there you have a quick, seamless install, a one-piece solution for these beautiful, juicy curls. But wait, there's more. All of our textures are so very versatile, and Sasha Curl can be worn straight. It blows out beautifully for this gorgeous, bouncy silk press, which makes the TruPart a superstar and the perfect 10-minute sew-in.